Hi, I'm Alex from the Unearthed team. This is your monthly newsletter for the month of November. Stay tuned for what's going on in your community. First of all, we'd like to thank IMARC for having us in Sydney. Being at the conference has allowed us to meet new and existing members of our community. The panels were very interesting and we got to knowledge share as well as meet industry colleagues. Here's a few clips from the conference.
Seen that the world of industrial working organisations has changed from human-driven to human.
Unearthed, we run a lot of open innovation projects and programs, and so one of our principles, I guess, is how do you engage with people around the world from all different industries, from all different backgrounds, and to build on Katie's point, if we're working with a crowd of people all around the world, we really need to understand what those people value and how they want to work, and that can be really variable. So what we're really trying to achieve is to help bring people in from other industries to the mining industry, to help them identify opportunities to solve some of our biggest problems.
And we'll definitely be back. Have you always wanted to submit an idea or a solution but it never matched any of the briefs that we put out there? Do you believe that your technology has what it takes to disrupt the mining industry as we know it? Do you believe that your innovation should be explored by mining leaders? Well, get involved in TAD Open House. Through the Open House, we invite you to share your innovative idea and solution and seek your support and funding to trial ideas in a supportive environment. Collaboration is key to our success and we want to work with you to think and act differently. There are two main ways to get involved. Through the TAD Open House, you can submit your idea at any time. We also have specific areas of focus. These right now are in mine separation and pre-concentration, slope engineering, and material movement. These opportunities end on the 22nd of November, so get involved right away. If you'd like to know more about the TAD Open House, join us on the 29th of November for our webinar. The TAD, us Minerals and Unearthed teams will gather and present the project as well as answer all your questions. Register here. Change How We Explore 2022 has now ended. Thank you so much for everyone that was involved in the challenge. With this challenge, us Mineral was seeking any solution to reduce water usage in exploration operations. Us Minerals are committed to finding new solutions and approaches to reduce the carbon footprint and seek businesses and individuals to partner with to achieve this. We are really excited by the unique solution that we've received and the variety of ideas. Keep your eyes peeled for the results. We have an exciting new challenge coming up. We have partnered with Future of Mining Australia for second year in a row to offer the chance to startups to showcase your innovative technology and solution that have the potential to deliver a significant impact to the mining and resources industry and accelerate our path towards zero harm, zero entry, and zero emissions. Is your startup supporting the same goals? The top startups selected from this challenge will participate as finalists, pitching to an online and in-person audience at the Future of Mining conference to be held in Sydney on the 20th and 21st of February 2023. Join Pitching Towards Zero. We'd also like to remind all the members of our community that it's always possible to be showcased on the Unearthed channels. We're happy to receive any emails or make any promotion that could help you in your journey. So if you'd like to be promoted or your startup, please send me an email at the email below. And thank you for watching. We hope you have a good rest of the month of November and we'll see you next month.